Hello folks, welcome back to my YouTube channel Code to Create. In this video, you're going to see how to download the AdventureWorks database and restore the database in Management Studio. So let's get started. I'm going to move up here and I'm going to say download AdventureWorks database. And here you get the first link that says docs.microsoft.com and that says AdventureWorks sample data of SQL Server. So let me open this in a new tab. I'm going to go down and here you can see we're going to download the backup files. I'm gonna download the 2012 AdventureWorks 2012. Yes, and before that let me open up my Management Studio. Yes, SQL Management Studio, SQL Server Management Studio. And I'm going to connect this up. I'm going to say connect. Yes. I'm going to open up my database over here. You can see you have AdventureWorks database over here. That's because I've already stored the AdventureWorks. So let me delete up this database. I'm going to say OK. And I'm going to show you guys freshly. I'm going to right click on the database and I'm going to say restore database. I'm going to set the source to device. Okay, I'm going to say add and then I'm going to get this. I'm going to get the directory. I'm going to copy and paste it up here. It's going to open. First, before that, it's going to ask your request. Just say yes. I'm going to say Control C and paste this up here. And I'm going to get back now. Restart this. I'm going to say cancel and add again. Yes, you have it over here. I'm going to say OK. OK. And OK. AdventureWorks restored successfully. I'm going to connect this. Let's open up the database and AdventureWorks is here. You can see you will have all the database. Inside the tables, you have all the tables and everything. So yeah guys, now we know how to download and restore the database. Thank you friends. Please do like, share, subscribe and comment below. Bye bye.